do. I don't think I will dodge the controversy around our Hasanabi build.
Okay, yeah, tell me about it.
So, do you know who
Nope.
Hasanabi is?
Nope.
Okay, so I think when we went live, he was actually live on Twitch. So he's probably still live. That was only like an hour ago.
Oh, I don't know his full name, I guess. This is Hassan, the Twitch streamer.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, that's just Hasanabi is just his handle. So
I don't
yes, Hassan. We sort of randomly kind of hooked up over Twitter when he was like, "Yo, I need a PC," and I was like, "Sure."
Sure, why not?
And so we decided for fun that we wanted to make the most left PC, the most left-leaning PC. And so far on Floatplane, it has managed to generate a significant amount of controversy. I think that this is one of the worst like-dislike ratios that I have ever seen on a video on Floatplane. And a lot of the controversy seems to be because people find Hassan to be a very polarizing figure.
Okay.
And or they think that we are kind of taking a stand that really our intention was never to take. Now, obviously, if we're building a PC for Hassan, it's going to be Hassan themed. So you can see that we've got this wonderful hammer and sickle
Oh, wow.
decal for the front.
Oh, my.
The color scheme is red,
Oh, my.
obviously. And we've got this delightful side panel graphic that the one and only Sarah Butt created for us. We've got Jeff Bezos on a plate with some broccoli. It's good for you.
Wait, he's a Twitch streamer, though.
I mean,
I don't know anything about this dude. I know that he exists. I know his name. That's it. I don't know. There's a weird dichotomy going on here, though, because he's just theoretically a pretty huge amount of his efforts is just making Bezos richer.
yes. I think I want to think that he's aware of the irony of that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I don't know. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I guess I just want to kind of get out ahead of this and say, look, the point of this video is to have some fun. The point of this video is to make a PC for a prominent creator. We kind of take some shots at both sides. You know, we're just, can we just all be friends? Can we just build a PC for someone and, kind of take some shots at their viewpoints, take some shots at the other viewpoints, and
so
just
you shot
have
at both sides, so just everyone hates it? Is that what's going on? Is that what's happening? You're the enemy of everyone. I like it. That's good. I'm probably going to enjoy this video. I haven't seen it yet. That's fantastic. Oh, man.
Yeah. So we should have, I guess maybe.
Wait, no, I don't like it. I've stopped my Floatplane membership over this. No, stop. Come back.
Yeah, please come back. Please come back. We really need you. We need you, Floatplane. Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, it's one of those things where I understand there's nothing we're going to be able to do to make everyone happy. So I guess we're just going to make everyone unhappy while we're at it. Maybe, I don't know what's next. The Ben Shapiro PC? Like what would be an equivalent?
The joke.
We make it out of that one piece of wood from Home Depot.
The Joe Rogan PC. This is gonna be not.
Please try not to get us canceled, Luke.
I was gonna say you can water cool it with ivermectin. Anyways. Oh man.
All right. I guess that's pretty much it. GeoMaster337 says, what about the Trump PC? Throwback to Tech Showdown. You know what's funny is I actually tried many times to get a Trump PC off the ground internally. I wanted to do just the gaudiest,
Oh man.
tackiest, all white and gold PC. And then for part 2, I wanted to attempt to hand deliver it to the White House. That was my plan. I wanted to do it. Nick would not allow it. He was like, no. I'm like, look, we don't have to take a stance. And for that matter, when there's a Democratic president, I'd happily build a PC for them as well. I don't care. For me, it was just like the fact that it would be so easy to build a themed PC around that guy.
That'd be epic.
Just like, oh man, like it would just have to be like the front of it. You can picture it, right? Like it would have to be the tallest PC with the biggest letters. Like it would just be hilarious.
Yeah.
It would have been hilarious. It would have been huge. And Nick was like, absolutely not. Joel and True says Nick is smart. You should listen to him.
He did. To be fair.
I did. I did listen to Nick.
Sometimes Linus takes counsel, not always.
Sometimes I understand that my kind of irreverent sense of humor is not shared by other people.
Oh man.
Oh.
I think there's also, I don't know. This video is going to be interesting to watch.
Yeah.
Are you guys is it going to YouTube?
Yeah,
after
it's going
this
to
reaction?
YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm not going to back down. It's going to YouTube. It's the left-leaning PC. It literally leans to the left. We took 2 of the feet off. And we are not shipping Hassan the feet. Like there's no haha, just kidding. Go ahead and put the feet back on.
Oh, that's so
This is
funny.
literally like a $5,000, $6,000 computer that is missing 2 of the feet on the case.
Oh my goodness. That's so funny.
There's going to be some inconveniences when Hassan gets it. There's going to be some stuff that like is not the best. I don't know that he has the technical know-how to fix it. For example, every time you boot it up, you get to listen to not just a little bit of, but the entire Soviet Union national anthem. If you try to cancel it, your Windows Explorer will not load, and you will have to reboot your computer and sit through it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man, I don't want to spoil too much, but there's a macro.
You should have made it so that there was a power bar like built into the computer so that it had to share the power that it received.
What there is a pre-installed folding at home instance,
so
you can share your
nice!
CPU.
Yes. Okay. That's funny. I think I'm going to enjoy this video. I think it's going to be funny.
Yeah.
I think I can understand in the current political climate how people are, a little edgy about it.
Just all I'm going to ask is just try to watch it with a sense of humor instead of trying to watch it with like a hating everyone and everything kind of thing. Like I don't need to be canceled over this. I just was like, hey, the leftist PC. That's kind of a funny theme for a build. Let's do it. And I didn't really like learn much about Hassan. I had one call with him where I kind of talked through his tech plan. But like that was kind of the extent of it. I was like, this seems like a pretty cool theme for a build. Let's do it. And for better or for worse,
Did he know the theme?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think he knew quite the extent of it. Like I told him that it might have 2 left side panels on it. So like one of them might have fitment issues. I didn't tell him the whole thing was going to like sit crooked.
Oh my goodness. That's man. That's exciting.
Yeah.
I'll watch that another time.
Log 1x says we need the Ben Shapiro PC. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what anybody needs. I'm not the doctor. I don't have the right prescription for you.